Levels of organization 1.2 The level of organization. The levels of organization in living world are based on chemical foundation. All the living organisms are made up of cells and the protoplasm of cell is the physical as well as chemical basis of life. These levels are as follows. 1. Atomic level of organization. All the matter is made up of elements, which is composed of atom, A, not, Tom, cut. Each atom is made up of subatomic particles, such as electrons, protons and neutrons. In nature, there are more than 100 kinds of elements and among these 16 elements are called as bioelements, which are vital for life. Only 6 elements such as C, H, O, N, S and P are called basic elements of life. 2. Molecular level of organization. Molecules are formed by the binding of atoms. These organic molecules of cells are called as biomolecules. These are constructed in great variety and complexity. They are classified as micromolecules and macromolecules. Glucose, amino acid and fatty acids are micromolecules, whereas carbohydrates, proteins and lipids are macromolecules. The units of micromolecules combine together to form macromolecules. Cellular level of organization. The biomolecules when work together in the form of suspension, it is called protoplasm. Protoplasm is the combination of organic and specific inorganic substances. When protoplasm work in the form of a unit, this is called cell. Cell is the basic unit of living organisms. When similar type of cells organize together in a group, called tissues. The different types of tissues arranged in a particular manner to work together are called organs. Organs of different types work in a coordinated manner to perform a function is called organ system. When different organ system function in coordination in as a unit, they form a body or multicellular organism. 4. Taxonomic level. There is another level of organization which is related with living organisms. The species is the smallest unit of taxonomic level of organization, which includes morphologically similar living organisms which interbreed and produce fertile offspring. 5. Population level. All the members of a species, living in specific habitat are called population. A group of parrots living on tree is called parrot population. 6. Community level. The members of different species living in specific habitat are called as community. A group of different kind of birds, living on tree, is called as bird community. 7. Ecological system. Communities always depends upon their non-living environment in a reciprocal interaction for their survival. For example, oxygen for respiration is obtained from environment and in turn given out carbon dioxide. This interaction is called ecosystem or ecological system. 8. Biosphere level. The part of Earth where life exists is called biosphere. It consists of different kinds of ecosystems.
Figure 1.1 Levels of organization. This diagram shows the levels of organization in the living world. Life starts from the simplest level called atom, such as oxygen. Atoms join together to form molecules, like oxygen dioxide. Molecules combine to form macromolecules, for example phospholipids. Macromolecules build cells, which are the basic unit of life. Similar cells form tissues, and tissues together make an organ like the lung. Different organs work together as an organ system, such as the respiratory system. All organ systems together form an organism, for example a lion. Organisms of the same species form a population. Different populations living together form a community. The community along with the environment makes an ecosystem. All ecosystems on Earth together form the biosphere, where life exists.